Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra may disappoint a lot of users in terms of display quality. According to reports, Samsung will use M13-generation OLED displays instead of the more advanced M14 panels. While the Galaxy S25 Ultra promises to impress everyone with a refined design and powerful performance driven by the advanced Snapdragon 8 Elite chip for exceptional speed and efficiency, not every feature is expected to reach premium standards. To manage increased expenses in AI, memory, and cutting-edge chipsets, Samsung appears to be making cost-saving adjustments. As a result, the display technology won't feature the latest upgrades. This decision was reportedly taken to balance the rising costs. A famous tech insider, Ross Young, recently posted on his X account, previously known as Twitter, sharing confirmed information from material suppliers that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will use M13 panels rather than M14 material displays. According to Young, this choice is driven by Samsung's focus on managing costs. Interestingly, Samsung Display has already developed M14-based OLED panels for Apple's iPhone 16 Pro models. But these screens will not be featured on Samsung's own flagship due to cost-saving measures within Samsung's mobile division. It feels quite strange that Samsung supplies the latest M14 display panels to competitors like Apple, while using the same old M13 panels for its own upcoming flagship. For a premium device like the Galaxy S25 Ultra, this decision may leave some fans questioning whether it's worth spending on similar display tech again. What do you think about this decision? Would spend your money on the same thing again? Let us know in the comments. You can also join our Telegram channel for exclusive content and early tech videos. Furthermore, Samsung is investing heavily in new chipsets, increased memory, and components that support AI capabilities. The Snapdragon 8 Elite chip alone is about 21% more expensive than previous models, driving up overall production costs. To balance these, Samsung chose to retain the M13 display technology rather than opting for the M14, which could have offered enhanced brightness, longer life, and 20 to 30% better efficiency. While some sources like Ice Universe initially speculated that the Galaxy S25 Ultra would use M14 displays due to rumored improvements in brightness, viewing angles, and color accuracy, it appears that Samsung has taken a different direction. Despite the decision to drop M14 technology, rumors suggest that the Galaxy S25 Ultra display may still outperform the S24 Ultra's screen. How it will achieve this feat is still unknown, with Samsung expected to unveil the Galaxy S25 lineup in early 2025, likely around January or February. More detailed information about its features and specifications should emerge in the coming months. Stay updated by subscribing to our channel for the latest tech news. What are your thoughts about these latest developments? Will you buy S25 Ultra with same hardware? Let us know in the comments below. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.